In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into an editable Google Doc. To start, open your web browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in. Being signed in ensures you can access your files and that anything you create or convert is saved to your drive. If you're using a shared or public computer, make sure you're signed into the correct account, as this will determine where your files end up. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top left and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. A file picker will open, letting you browse your computer. Select the PDF you want to work with and confirm. You'll see an Upload Progress indicator in the bottom right corner of Drive. Larger PDFs or files with lots of images may take a bit longer, so give it a moment to finish before moving to the next step. When the upload completes, your PDF will appear in your drive. Right-click the PDF, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. This tells Google to convert the PDF into a format you can edit. A new tab will open as Google Docs begins the conversion. If your PDF is mostly text, the process is usually quick. If it contains many images, tables, or complex layouts, it may take a little longer. Google Docs will create a brand new document that contains the text extracted from your PDF. The original PDF stays exactly as it was in your drive, and the converted Google Docs file is saved alongside it. In the new document, you can click anywhere and start editing just like you would in a regular Google Doc. Fix typos, rewrite paragraphs, adjust headings, and format the text. If your PDF was scanned or had unusual fonts, you may notice minor differences in spacing or line breaks. That's normal with optical character recognition, and a quick proofreading pass usually clears it up. Images from the PDF may appear in the document, but their placement might shift compared to the original. Tables and columns might become simplified. If accuracy is critical, compare the converted document with the original PDF to confirm everything came through as expected. You'll see that changes are saved automatically in Google Docs, so you don't need to do anything extra to keep your work. And that's all it takes. By signing in to Google Drive, uploading your PDF, opening it with Google Docs, and letting Google convert it, you quickly turn a static PDF into an editable document you can refine and polish with ease.